Why so many W's? And what are these magical symbols? Hey, strangers, need help understanding Japanese messaging culture? Well, climb aboard the mothership because today we're diving into the world of slang and Kao-Moji. Yeah. I'm Bitsy the alien, and together we're gonna discover the power behind these iconic terms and expressive Japanese emoticons, and how you can use them to level up your texting game. Alright, so what exactly is a Kao-Moji? Well, the term Kao-Moji literally translates to face character. And unlike simple Western emoticons like smile face and sad face, Kao-Mojis use a combination of Japanese characters and punctuation marks to create detailed and expressive faces. They can convey a wide range of emotions and actions, making your messages much more fun and animated and helping you get your point across. The Kao-Moji first appeared in the 1980s in Japan, evolving alongside the development of early text-based internet communication. As online messaging became more popular, people began creating these intricate emoticons to express themselves more clearly and creatively. Today, Kao-Mojis are beloved worldwide, especially among the anime and Vtuber communities. Some examples of simple Kao-Moji include happy, sad, angry, and surprise. These adorable symbols can convey a whole language of emotions, and you should try and use them to boost your texts and add some kawaii flair to your messages. And it can also help you seem more legit on the Japanese side of the web. Yeah. Kao-Mojis often appear alongside Japanese Internet Slang, also known as Netto Slang. Yeah, it's just Japanglish. There are many terms and abbreviations that are widely used in Japan online, but I want to share with you a few today. One of the most common ones that you may have seen is the W. WWWW. Lots and lots of W's. Whole entire comment sections of W's. What? So, why? Well, the W comes from Daisougen, which comes from Kusa, which is grass. Kusa literally means grass, but it became internet slang for LOL or ha 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 due to the common anime laughter, kusa, kusa, kusa. And if something's really funny, well, then it's gonna need a lot of grass, which is where Daisougen comes in. It literally means large grassy field, like in nature. Yeah. And it is thus became a bit of a Japanese meme, all of which has led to the repeating W's, which looks like grass. Alongside these slangs, you can use Kao-Moji like these ones to show laughter and happiness. WKTK is another popular internet slang term used to express excitement, similar to wow or whoa in English. Another way to express amazement is Suge, which is a little more masculine than sugoi. But if something is over the top, fantastic, and literally the best thing ever, you can say kami. Alongside these slangs, I recommend using the Kao-Moji with star eyes and all kinds of wiggly hands. KWSK. Hard for me to say. An abbreviation for kawaii wa shikken, meaning cute is expensive. It is often used as an expression of irony or sarcasm about the high cost of cute or trendy items. You can show your sarcasm with these emoji. JK, not to be confused with just kidding, is used for Joshi Kosei, referring to Japanese high school girls, and is a common abbreviation among teenagers online. Anon, a Japanese adaptation of the English term anonymous, used to describe someone who is unknown or goes by a synonym online. Nana-san is another term to refer to anonymous or unknown internet users. Alright, are you ready to start using your Kao-Moji and your new slang?
Yatta!
Well, here's a quick walkthrough to get you started. Where to find Kao-Moji? Well, there's tons of good websites and apps out there, that are dedicated to KaoMoji. A quick Google search for KaoMoji will lead you to many resources, but I would like to suggest a few that I use myself. Japan Newbie is a great site for beginners with a wide range of KaoMoji. Emoji keyboard apps like KaoMoji Keyboard or Japan Emoji let you easily use KaoMoji in your messages with iPhone and Android. Emojicombos.com-KaoMoji is one of my personal favorites for PC, as you can search and they have a wide variety, and it's really easy to copy-paste. Most sites do have a copy-paste button, but if they don't, you can always select it and hit Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. It's really easy. Now, how can we save these for quick access? Well, on your phone, you can paste it directly into a Notes app if you want to copy and repaste them manually, or what I personally prefer is to pin it in your clipboard. You open up your phone clipboard and you just hit that little pin button. You can only pin so many, so make sure they're your favorites. Yeah, on your PC, again, you can paste it into a document, or you can get a clipboard manager, which typically allows you to keep more KaoMoji and are easier to use, plus you can link them with hotkeys. Some apps for KaoMoji have hotkeys built in, which is very handy. One of the great things about the website I use is that you can create your own and save them as well. Feeling creative? Combine some characters and make a unique KaoMoji that's specific to your brand or your Vtuber. And then all your fans can share in your cute little emoticon. So what are some of your favorite KaoMoji? Have you ever created your own? Go ahead and post them in the comments. I want to see all your creative expressions. And if you enjoyed this video and want more tips for adding fun elements to your live streams, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for new videos every Wednesday. Thanks for observing, and until you climb aboard the mothership again, stay strange. Bye!